In today's recipe, I'm showing you how to make strawberry ice cream with just two ingredients. So let's get started. Take one pan and add half liter full cream milk. Now, ice cream powder. I have used Wakefield brand strawberry flavor ice cream powder. You can use any brands, any flavors ice cream powder. Now add this into the milk. Now mix it. Now put it on the flame and at low flame cook until it thickens. So now the mixture has thickened. Turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Once it's cooled, cover with an aluminium foil and freeze this for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the foil. Break the ice cream into pieces. Now whip it using an electric beater. It's been around 5 to 10 minutes. Now stop beating it. And transfer this to an airtight container. Now cover it and freeze this for 7 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, the ice cream is set completely. Scoop out. And soup. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.